Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SPY Education, myself Radha. And today we are going to discuss about unit operation of food processing, in which we are going to discuss about grading, sorting, peeling off, size reduction as well as milk processing method, in which mainly we are going to discuss milk pasteurization method. So milk pasteurization is the process of heating milk or milk product to a predetermined temperature for a specified period without recontaminating during the entire process. So pasteurization technique is generally to heat the milk and protect the milk from the microorganism or from the contamination. Predetermined temperature usually depend on the heat resistant of spoilage microorganism that the pasteurization program is targeting to destroy. So first one is the raw material handling in case of unit operation of processing, where we are mainly going to discuss about unit operation of food processing, grading, sorting, peeling and size reduction. So raw material handling. Material handling include varied operation as hand or mechanical harvesting on the farm, transportation in truck or refrigerated vehicle of perishable produce to the market or to the processing plant or to store godowns. For conveying wide variety of mechanical conveyors is used depending upon the type of material. Common conveyors used in the processing plant include screw conveyor, bucket conveyor, belt conveyor, vibratory conveyor. Throughout this operation, care is taken to maintain sanitary condition, or we can say free from contamination condition, and product loss. Maintaining raw material quality like physical appearance, vitamin content, minimizing microbial growth and minimizing other detrimental changes to the product quality during handling. It also includes other unit operation like receiving, cleaning, washing, sorting, grading, peeling, slicing, blanching. These are other unit operation of food processing. So first one is the washing and cleaning. So first, food processing unit operation of food processing, in which first one is the washing and cleaning. Cleaning is the unit operation in which contaminated material are removed from the food and separated to leave the surface of the food in a suitable condition for further processing. So in washing or cleaning, there is a removal of dirt from the food mainly. It can be done by the two process, wet procedure and dry procedure. Wet procedure mainly includes spraying, washing and ultrasonic cleaning. Dry procedure includes separation by air, magnetic attraction of metal contaminant or by physical method depending upon the product and nature of dirt. Next one is the separating. It involves separating a solid from a solid like peeling of potatoes, separating a solid from liquid as in filtration or liquid from solid as in pressing of juice from a fruit. So separating method like in case of solid from a solid, so peeling of the potatoes. So solid is removed from the solid itself, and separating a solid from liquid as filtration purpose or liquid from solid as in pressing of juice from a fruit, where we are extracting liquid from solid fruit. It might involve the separation of a liquid from a liquid as in centrifugation of oil from water, where supernatant and pellet are different. So it might also involve removing the gas from solid or liquid as in vacuum. So these are several separating methods. So common separating method used in fruit and vegetable processing are sorting, grading. In sorting, separation of food into different categories on the basis of measurable physical property. Sorting and grading ensure the removal of inferior or damaged commodity. For sorting, inspection belt can be used. In addition to trained personnel who detect poor quality produce unsuitable for canning. Automatic color sorter can be used for sorting to reduce labor cost. So mainly sorting and grading ensure the removal of damaged commodity. That is the main purpose of this method. Next one is the grading. After preliminary sorting, fruit and vegetable are graded to obtain uniform quality with respect to size and color. Grading can be done either manually or with the help of mechanical grader. Different type of mechanical grader include screen grader, roller grader, rope or cable grader, conveyor grader. So in grading mainly there is a conversion of solid material into powdery material, we can say, or into uniform quality with respect to size. Next one is the peeling, coring and pitting. These are the primary unit operation for preparing fruit and vegetable for processing. Peeling of fruit and vegetable is carried out to remove unwanted or inedible material and to improve the appearance of the final product. So it is mainly used to remove unwanted material. The main consideration for peeling is to minimize cost by removing as little of the underlying food as possible and reducing energy and material cost to a minimum. Next one is the disintegrating. It covers wide range of operations that are used to subdivide large masses of food into smaller unit or particle. It may involve cutting, slicing, chopping, grating, pressing to extract juice, pulping, homogenization method. Mainly we are going to discuss this method, homogenization. So homogenization of milk causes disintegration of fat globule in milk or cream from large to minute globules. So conversion of large globule to minute globule. Smaller fat globule then remain evenly distributed throughout the milk or cream with a less tendency to coalesce and separate from the water phase of milk. Disintegration of fat globule is done by forcing the milk or cream under a high pressure through a valve with very small opening. So homogenization, we can say there is a conversion of, like if there is a presence of this material, by homogenization method we convert these material into equal size and shape. So that is mainly the homogenization method. So similarly fruit juice are homogenized to prevent sedimentation during storage. Next one is the heating method, where mainly we are going to discuss about pasteurization. And what we did in pasteurization? Removal of microorganism from food, vegetable. That is mainly done by pasteurization method. So heating of food is carried out to destroy the microorganism, to preserve the food as in case of pasteurized milk and canned pea, and to make them more tender and palatable as in cooking operation. Food are heated by conduction, convection, radiation or their combination. So there are several methods of heating of food. Food heating is done by conduction, convection or radiation. And why we did heating method? To destroy microorganism. So most of the food are sensitive to heat, and prolonged heat may cause burnt flavor, dark color, nutrition loss. It is therefore desirable to heat such food rapidly and cool immediately. So heating temperature, heating time vary species of food to food. Food may be heated or cooked by using hot water toaster, direct steam, direct contact to flame or microwave cookers. So food may be heated or cooked by using these methods, by hot water toaster, direct steam, direct contact to flame or microwave cooker. So mainly in case of heating we are targeting pasteurization method, where there is a removal of microorganism from food or vegetable, or this is the process of making the food contamination free. Contamination free, or we can say removal of bacteria, virus, fungus, and many more pathogens from the food and vegetable. That's why heating process is performed. So these are several unit operation in case of food preservation, food processing, in which we discuss sorting, grading, homogenization, heating, pasteurization method. I hope this lecture is very clear to all of you. So thank you so much everyone. If you find this video beneficial for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such kind of videos. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.